Una nueva generación de robots revolucionará el mundo de la robótica industrial gracias al sensor de alta precisión S250. Esta revolución nos ha traído a Dusseldorf de la mano de Epson.
La estrategia de Epson es superar las expectativas de los clientes. ¿Cómo lográis llevarlo a cabo en un mercado tan saturado?
So I think the main piece for us is that we stick to our core competencies. Our core engineering competencies are energy efficient, compact and high precision. And all of our technologies that we make and all of the products that we make are based on our own technologies. So the thing that differentiates Epson as a company is that we own all of our intellectual property, the engineering all the way through to the finished products, so that we know we can control the quality and the characteristics of the products that we make in the marketplace.
Vuestra área de negocio, Robotics e Innovations, desarrolláis robots capaces de sustituir tareas humanas. ¿Estamos ante una nueva revolución industrial?
So yes, robotic solutions at the moment tend to be focused on manufacturing. And actually for some of our European markets, it's an opportunity to bring manufacturing back into the European marketplace. A robot is the same price all across the world. So manufacturing using a robot is no more or less expensive in Europe than it is in any of the other marketplaces that currently have a lot of that production. So the production business can come back into Europe as a result of some of these changes. But as we move forward, robotics is moving outside of just the manufacturing industries. If you look at some of the innovations we have today in the force sensing and the vision elements of our robots, they're now able to actually sense the force they're applying to an object. So then beginning to interact more directly with human beings becomes much more feasible because they have that ability to sense how much force and pressure they're applying to things.
También tenéis un área de negocio de wearables. ¿Cómo se diferencian los wearables de Epson? ¿Qué puede esperar el usuario?
So again, the core of all of our technologies is our own technology, and our micro-piezo technologies allow us to be more precise in some of these aspects. Our wearables products across the world are more focused on the needs of high precision applications. So we're looking at some of the perhaps medical marketplaces to apply those technologies. And again, if we look at the convergence between the robotics technology, the sensing and the vision, and the wearables technologies that monitor vital signs of people, you can see that there's a potential there to drive ourselves into a marketplace with an increasingly aging global population. Then we have the ability to maybe use robotics to help support that aging population.
¿Qué podemos encontrar en la tercera generación de mobiliario?
You can expect fantastic quality, really strong contrast ratios. I'm sure when you see the new products, the new Bavaria BT300, you'll be very impressed. It's a very strong product for augmented reality applications now. The clarity of the see-through vision and the crispness of the imaging and the high contrast ratio now means you can get really strong overlaid images from the real world.
¿Cómo una empresa que empezó fabricando relojes terminó metiéndose en la innovación tecnológica y acabó fabricando impresoras?
Again, I think it really boils down to that continued focus on our core competencies, sticking to what we know and what we're good at. Our watch technology through our mechanical, and we still have very high precision mechanical watch manufacturing within our portfolio of products. And that led us to more and more high precision timing applications. We did the Tokyo Olympics, and that was the first application of a quartz technology in a timing application like that. The quartz technology drove us into getting more and more high precision watchmaking, and that micro-piezo quartz technology has led us into LCD technologies for projection, into the robotics. We wanted to manufacture our own products to get them to the standards that we wanted them to be. That led us to develop our own robotic solutions, which then in 1983 we started to market into the world, rather than just use them in-house. So all of them have been applications around and branching off of our core technologies. They've been to us logical extensions of the core competencies that we've proved competitive on. And I think by retaining that end-to-end ownership or top-to-bottom ownership of our technology capabilities, our manufacturing, our core technologies, our intellectual property, that's allowed us to be competitive in any of the markets we've moved into because they're based on and branching off of our core competencies.
¿Qué sorpresas nos deparan en el día de hoy?
I think we're going to see some interesting capabilities of the robots in the force sensing. You'll see some very interesting demonstrations there. I think the BT300 is a really interesting product. And you'll see our new N-series robot, which is a very capable, very compact 6-axis robot that's going to be very interesting, I think, for a lot of European manufacturing applications.
Thank you very much. That's it.
My pleasure.